person who oversaw his training was His Holiness Trigya Rinpoche and Kebje Jomo Geshe Rinpoche. So they have certified him to be an authentic oracle. Since 30 years now, Trijala, who is from Sera Monastery, has been taking trance for Trigya Rinpoche. He has taken trance for Ling Rinpoche. He has taken trance for the Dalai Lama's government. He has taken trance for Sar Rinpoche, for Ganden, for Sera, for Drepung monasteries. He gave trance to thousands and thousands of monks in Tibet, India, Nepal, Taiwan, USA. So the oracle you see in front of us is one of the most famous oracles in Tibet, one of the most famous. He has been taking trance for 30 years. We are very lucky because the main protector of Kechara House is Dorje Shugden. It's always been Dorje Shugden together with his brother Setrap. So today is not a show. Today is not something to come and just look and have a show and talk. You are going to be in the presence of a highly enlightened being that the monasteries have been consulting for hundreds and hundreds of years. So please remember, you are in the presence of the 7th Panglung Kuten, the Oracle of Tibet, trained by Trigya Rinpoche, certified by Trigya Rinpoche, and he has been taking trance for the monasteries and the High Lamas for 30 years. We are very fortunate that Trijala has come today. We are very fortunate that Trijala has come here on his own to take trance and to bless. He told me very simply, I want Kechara to grow. I will come to remove obstacles.